see, you people, you just make mistake for Shatta Wale. I be too clean boy.
Charlie, the way Ghana make hot, myself at the fear give every celebrity. Right now, all the people way them they live that kind of posh kind of lifestyle, no? What you say? Omunyina e sheki e krum ha. Krum ha ye din na ye say. Ofa nightclub asia, all the ballers, all the spenders, all the boros ni number show or ho ni nyina. Mada. Abusuafo obi bebisa say die ntina krum ha aye din FBI for wo krum ha. It is sia no se wo yo niema na anya wo niema yi a chale dem go bab you. Na ever since FBI come on buy no ekoye kowie se krum ha bibie besibia no edin Shatta Wale die. You know the rest. Charlie, before I go inside this matter, make us sip something small. Yes, Charlie. So if I not sip something, Charlie. It don't be easy. Right now, the matter, the whole conversation has changed. Direction na nkomo no ya sesa bibia abeye Shatta nkomo. Say, once upon the time, yebechi Hajia for real. And according to Agenda Boys, Hajia for real, Shatta Wale godmother. Sisi aminoka say, yasanso abechi Kofi boat over alleged scam of $100 million. And Agenda people they talk say, Shatta know this matter. Like he be part of this whole scamming thing. Now, the boys ni be air can say, once upon the time, Shatta Wale ebe performing ewo kaswa. Na abra o performing no o can be say. At any time you people want compare him to Stoneboy, Sarkodie then co. Na Sarkodie then Stoneboy, then browse before.
Sarkodie no get money pass for your mother. Sarkodie browse before. Sarkodie they say browse before. Stoneboy you say browse before. Make you wanna do that bullshit thing with me because you see me, my life in the one pair. I say I like the streets, make them take the radio. What be by force? It not be by force. I like the street. You say you won't play Black Star. I say I won't play for Kaswa.
Now when the boys push, he said browsing a Shatta can say them browse before no. Like it be scamming thing where Shatta won't talk, Charlie. Sometimes we they make the whole thing look some way be like we make the whole thing turn on serious game be. I say if anybody get microphone behind it they come talk. Before I say you push that agenda, say that browse thing no, it be scamming and things no. First of all, if you get dictionary for your phone topper, search for the meaning of browse. Set. Like make you all set. Me self at the set. So ABR, me then you we don't know. Say this be the meaning of browse. Simply the act of looking or reading or researching. That is browse. But over Chrome now can browser. People they read so many meanings into it. Abusuma for me at the Kobe Josvan, I'm a blogger, social influencer, and a pandit na metanasi say you know saying some be a cost so our space in so jidin atene a trend our space in so e bi na maboano e mu kire mu me di nyina bro ya at the end of the day won so obehu the air cost so e wantin tan so na ya nkomo ne be de no kai say on all social media platforms edinu any Kobe Josvan. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Thread. Edinu and Kobe Josvan. Same on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to us. Yeah, Brenna Brenning na ya the video for phobia so bro wa won so be hu the echo. Abusua for comment section e ya wodia nti bibia e ya wadwen kire bia no pass it through the comment section. Na de hu hia se yentena ase ne mbie mu no ye betena ase abie mu ya at the end of the day nchemu ni nyina wo hwehwe no ye de ni nyina besom ewo afidie we so ana ewo channel we so abusua for na answer na be comment sem ni mu no say we your parties weddings now po bi ebeboa ama our party na your party dia and my lazy foods and your plug lazy foods ewo East Legon Ajenga no poku asen so omo ho distance is never a barrier. So call them now and make sure at the end of the day we be bedamas e highway no sounds na wire ya church bia benya wire sa no adro di and ye ko edu herbal hospital wo mankesim ba fi kro mo doko official town mo wo ho ko ho SMB test na ko ho bia ni ma agidin 18 years plus de obetumi anu wire juma abram here SMB test na we libi do no so ada SMB test bebo a ama otumi apower no apower yi what ya say when you forklift ho opese osua forklift opese o add value to yourself, and then I bring you good news from Step 79 Safety Forklift. Yes, 3 weeks pepepe no better than experienced forklift operator. MVT TVET for my accreditation to ko sua ade add value to yourself. Ya your console and also wait me akobi ewo highway. So abusua for sisi am no kasai krom ha aye hye na ni nyina ene say FBI for enam krom ha. Enche bia na mba peke Dada Joe remix na sisi am no kasai Oma sanso abe piki additional 3 or 4 individuals so aka list no ho na nkofuya ma piki mo no include Shatta Wale Godfather or the Kofi Boat. Yes, Kofi Boat. Now according to reporter FBI for Ediaba no HSA Kofi Boat edi no ho akofole scamming activities mu ana was scamming kofo it is alleged say sika involved no $100 million. Now we and so ama Shatta Wale nso no ho so abe fole nsem no mu na agenda boys nso say Shatta Wale Godfather any Kofi Boat it say ya che Kofi Boat say oyes kamina and ye Shatta Wale oye no God son no munya nhwehwem if you say to them almost suspect say Shatta cast ni nyina sika bebrebe no de brag e wo krom ha nyina no enye legit na bebre no efi scam what you say fraud what you say na we na Shatta tie no say no Charlie. It be like you people they fool too much for this country. That be what Wale they talk. It be like you people, you they fool too much for the highway top. Second, you know they work hard, you be lazy, you they sleep 24/7. So if you guys say everybody they sleep, now Abra Shatta in some way no, and no call X, a formerly Twitter. Now Shatta say, when you work, you talk with confidence and fuck everybody up with success. So what Shatta Wale they talk be say, if you work legitimately, legit way of making money, if you they talk, you get confidence, you they chest out. And at the end of the day, no, you they F people with your success. Sick of you work hard and you gain whatever that you want to gain. So at the end of the day, say oh hit a highway national qua. You know they F anybody or you know they F whatever people they talk. Now, osanso edi kopie mu ewo Snapchat. Now, according to Shatta Wale, the broke nigger says breaking news. The broke niggers are saying say sake of them bab Kofi Boat. Agenda boys are saying say Shatta anso eni muhubi. So make FBI go arrest Shatta Wale. Now when a Shatta hu ye no say no Charlie ohian so yari o like come to me ma kan kwase asem na oko app ne so a broke guys na ewo app ne so no agenda boys na munya one city data bia na maba online na mchurch kwase asem sebe no to them almost say breaking news osanso ekwo so etoa so church onsem na nsem ne de Charlie bebre o say the entertainment media lie you people sir. I take get money. Keep fooling yourself. And one day, I will be your president in this country. And make sure most of you go to jail. No wonder Donald Trump say he won't ban Ghana. Because he has seen that most of the citizens in the country are full of shit. Villages with your education or you come there, your single room inside, they fight successful people. As for me, dear, I dey talk every day, constantly say, you all go chop your mother. Lover man, your mother. So what Shatta Wale can say? Mo mama entertainment space no ada mosa. Ama sisia mwadi ne ho agrosa ma sisia no waye ye. Na mo ma ko school akosuesu ade onim se ade am kosua no mfaso bi beba so The mom still motete mo single room mu and asabi mu jimi ewo highway ni so. Abusuafo Shatta say opese omamo ya aware say ni sika ni nyina eye music money. Na wakasa there's a video I trending online captures Shatta Wale jamming and responding to some of this critique. Abusuafo yenko tie nsem ni bia Wale kan yeba nsem ni mu nchi mu ye de besomo ya won so be hu de ekoso ewo space ni so.
Take picture of me, I take it. But my many of you for Ghana here, your mother crowd. But my your mother say you do you put the watch me my life. And if you say, because any year when you come Ghana no, I think Nana Pia, they call Nana Pia in things. Shatta they go do. But man, see you people, you just they make mistake for Shatta Wale. I be too clean boy. Where are they? I see ya because the artists and things they follow your favorite, the industry favorite. You know if you pull up the things that they pull up. So Shatta Wale there, they do fraud. Your mother, your make the top poster they do fraud. You see, and you see the one thing people make mistake. You see the white people when they enter this country, they research you. They not be stupid people. Yeah, no, they my Rolls Royce. This is my Rolls Royce. They research out. They see how money come. It's part of the music money. It's music money. If you don't know, come make we show you. It not be fraud. It be hard work and dedication. My nigga, don't even make a mistake. Don't even make a mistake and see Shatta Wale like, Mama, me I go fish Shatta like fraud boy. I go fish Shatta like gangster. I go fish Shatta like anything. But when you make mistake, I go create app for you. Make you drive. I'm shaxi. Thank you.
Abusuafo, after watching the video, what do you also have to say? Share your views, share your thoughts, and don't forget to share this video. Your others will also benefit from it. Now, sack picture being so trendy. What you say? Agenda boys in the challenge. See how the money affair baby oh. Ya posted sack picture or laptop on our research. Me sure say as at that time na sack ne abre. Ne lyrics ni bia wa chocho. Agu ni pieces no. Or go through ni piece no. I find it the unreleased be banger. Now when agenda boys ni bi ako post say sika aye sika legitimate and fraud. So indirectly the agenda boys can say we yes say sack sika so no eya ben fraud. Now where you say every money be money. Even if it be fraud self crampa, it be money. Medical also abekasa say onu mpo ne laptop mpo esini dem no. Ono de onfa anya de modwin no. PS game kwa no de ye odebo. Inti mo amu pushi agenda no. Emfa. Abusuafo, what do you also have to say? Share your views, share your thoughts. And don't forget to share this video. Yeah, others will also benefit from it. Midin Ede Kobe Josvan, Ushamo Highway Niswa, from the nation's blogger or the ugly village boy. Macron. Bye-bye.